Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the options of arrange menu, align and distribute. This option contains many sub options: align left, align right, align top, align bottom and so many other options. So one by one we will discuss all options. Start with first select these objects. Some objects I have created on this current page. Select these objects, and if you want to arrange them, then go in align and distribute. You can arrange them align top, align bottom, and shortcut key to align bottom B and shortcut key to align top T. When I will use this option align bottom, you will see all the object I have selected align from base, all in sequence from bottom. And similarly, when I will use this option align top, all objects are aligned from top. You see, all objects are aligned from top. So you can use shortcut key also to use this option align top T and align bottom B. Bottom me from B word taken from bottom and T word taken from top. So if I will use T, you will see top, and if I will use B, you will see all objects are aligned from bottom. See, top, bottom, top, bottom. So you can use this option to align and distribute. Align all these options, top and bottom. And similarly, if you want to align these objects which are selected by me horizontally, you can align them horizontally, center. You see, horizontally center, all these are objects in center horizontally. And similarly, if you want to align these circle, three circles I have created, left align, right align and align vertical center, use these options align and distribution, align left, shortcut key L, align right, shortcut key R, and to align them center vertically, use shortcut key C or this option align center vertically. So I think you understand. So first I will use align left. You will see align left, go in arrange menu, align and align right. And similarly, if you want to arrange them, align center vertically. All these are arranged center vertically. So this is a way to align all these options vertically and horizontally. And similarly, again we will discuss some other option of this alignment. Put all these objects like this, like this. So if I want to align this object horizontally, page, center of the page, center to page horizontally, use this option, you will see it will be horizontally center. And if you want to arrange this object vertically center on the page, you can use this option center to page vertically. And similarly, if you want to put this object center of page, then you can use this option center to page or shortcut key P. Click on this option. Now our object which is selected by us is in the middle of this page. So I think you understand how these arrange options are used. So these are the options. Arrange option C again, alignment and distribution, align left, align right, align top, align bottom, align center horizontally, align center vertically. You can follow the shortcut keys on right side. These have been typed L, R, T, B, E, C, P. So these are the shortcut keys which can be used by you to align these objects which are selected by you. And if you want to align all your object in the center, you can use center to page horizontally, center to page vertically. And if you want to learn distribute option, last option is distribute. I have recorded another video to explain this distribution option. You can see that video.